Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see from today's video title, I'm going to give you a wig collection because I've actually accumulated quite a few. I've got them all next to me and there is quite a pile here. So I normally use these wigs for makeup looks, so they might have to bring the character alive, such as with when I did Captain America, I had the blue wig and it really just brought that look together. It sort of went in with the face paint look and the blue. I just find it really helps do that, and also sometimes I just wear them if I cannot be bothered to do my own hair. It's just an easy way just to hide it. You just put a wig on and you're sorted. You don't have to wash it or anything like that. It is so easy, which is actually what I did in my last video. I couldn't bother, so I just put a wig on. But before we get into that, today's video is actually sponsored by Luisa Jewelry. So I'm wearing 3 pieces now. So I have the necklace, I have a bracelet and also a ring. So firstly we have this ring here, which is gold plated and it does have a little pearl on the outside. It's absolutely stunning, and because it is so dainty it just looks really nice on your hand. My hands are quite small, they only have quite small fingers as you can see, so having something dainty like this is just perfect for me. And Luisa have so many pieces of dainty jewellery and also a few more chunky pieces as well, so whatever your style is you are sure to find something you love. And then we have the Kendall bracelet, which is pearls all the way around. Again, these are very dainty and just look absolutely stunning once on. And then it does have the gold clasp on here. So this is actually sterling silver coated in 9 karat gold. So this is sure to last a lifetime. It also looks absolutely beautiful against these pearls as well. And they're also rounded, so they feel really nice against your skin. It is so comfortable, and because of this you actually have a little bit of adjustability as well, because you can have 3 different hooks depending on your size of wrist. So my wrist is very tiny and this fits absolutely perfectly and still have a little bit of room as well. And lastly we have the Marina necklace. So this is again a sterling silver gold plated chain in 9 karat gold, and then it has a pearl pendant on the very bottom there. This is just absolutely stunning. It just is so simple, so elegant. It goes with everything that I just absolutely love wearing it, and also very lightweight as well. And again, this necklace is fully adjustable from the back. As you can see there, you have quite a bit extra chain as well, so you can wear this slightly longer if that's how you prefer, or whatever length sort of suits you. And with all Luisa jewellery, you can layer these, so if you have multiple necklaces, you can wear them all together, wear them at different lengths, and they just look so fashion forward. So all the jewellery is so affordable. They actually start at £39, which is just incredible for this quality that you get, because these will just last a lifetime. They have definitely been 100% tested against tarnish and wear, and they don't whatsoever. I have some other pieces and I wear them continuously and they still look as good as the day I got them. And this also goes along with the jewellery having a 2-year warranty, so that is absolutely perfect. If something does happen you are covered, but nothing will, because it is just incredible. And one thing I actually love about Luisa jewellery is these little pouches that all the jewellery comes in. So each piece comes in its own little pouch, so like this is for a necklace or the bracelet. And then there is also a smaller one that is for the rings or earrings. So these are perfect for keeping your jewellery in if you don't have a jewellery box. Also perfect for travelling as well. And these are actually magnetised, so you don't have to worry about your jewellery falling out whatsoever. Like all jewellery, it is absolutely perfect for a gift as well, because they are so affordable, like I've already said. So if you are looking for a gift for someone, they have so many different things. You can actually buy in bundles, or like these, all of these 3 pieces you can buy singly, but they do make a perfect set when you have them all on. So I will leave a link to the Luisa jewellery in the description bar below. You can also use the code Nolan20 to get 20% off. So that is an even better saving with such amazing, affordable and also high quality jewellery. So I think that is all about the jewellery. Of course I'm going to be wearing this throughout, and you've seen so many pieces that I love wearing from them. But we'll now get on to doing the wig collection, because like I said, I have quite a collection down here. So with all my wigs, I actually like to keep them in like this little netting that they come in. I just think it just helps to keep them a little bit more knot free. And because I do actually store them in the cupboard, they were all lying flat, so again it just really helps. Some of them are actually in bags as well that they came in. But this is my only non-lace front wig, so as you can see there is no lace to the front, so it doesn't look the most natural. But this is a long black wig. I think it's about 26 inches. And it's just so soft. I think it was actually off eBay and it's just incredible quality. I absolutely love this. Of course I'm going to try all of these on, but if you want to see how it looks with a look, I actually use this for Wednesday Addams, because it is just absolutely perfect for that. Just plaited, perfect. But again, all of these are synthetic as well. They are not any real hair. I wish I could, but they are so expensive. But that is my long black wig, and I just absolutely love it. I have to say it's one of my favourites, even though it's not a lace front. Next we have this, which is, it was supposed to be blue, but it's more of like a purpley blue. This is actually what I did use to do Captain America. So as you see, it does have a little bit of a curl to this. Again, it's about 24 inches, and this is a lace front, as you can see there. Obviously these have all been trimmed down because I have worn them or used them. And then this is how they look from the inside. They're all very much similar. They have the clips to hold into your head, and then also the elastic to tighten it around your head. So this one is actually Chantry lace wig. I think that's how you say it there. Again, really good quality. It actually stays quite knot free, even though it does have this bit of a wave to it. But yeah, I really love this colour. I just wish it was just that little bit more blue rather than be more violet, but again, still beautiful. And now we have one that I actually forgot that I owned, so that's not very good. But again, this is not a lace front, but this is a little auburn bob. Has a little bit of a wave to the front, but again, not a lace front. So again, it's not my favourite, but I actually forgot I've worn it. Actually forgot I even had this, so I don't think I've ever worn it. But it's such a beautiful colour. It's also actually very smooth. So I can't actually remember where I got this from. I think possibly Depop, which is where quite a few of these are from, because I have bought them second hand, even though they've looked pretty much new. Also a lot are from eBay and Amazon. I think I actually have one from Etsy as well, and then 2 brands I've worked with, which I will show to you. But yes, this is just a little bob. I cannot remember the look I got this for, but I should probably find one and make a look with it. And now we have another long one. As you can see, I sort of have a thing, they're either short or they're long. There's nothing really in between. But this is like a white platinum blonde. It is very long. I have to say it's about 28 inches, I think. It is very long. It's very thick as well. This is probably one of the most unnatural looking ones it's on, because it is so full. I mean, even though the odd colour ones aren't natural looking, I think you can make them. Whereas this is very thick. But again, it is a lace front, as you can see there. And this is actually one of the heaviest ones to wear, because there is so much hair. It does have a little bit of wave to it, but again, it is beautiful. I actually used this for when I did a Taylor Momsen look, because it was just that perfect blonde colour. I think I've actually used this for a couple as well. It is absolutely beautiful, just very heavy to wear. And now we have the one that I wore in my last video. So this is from Ready Wig, and I did actually work with them, which is how I got this one. But this is like a long brunette colour. It has more of a wave to it, has a lot of texture. There's a lot of hair with this. But I would also say this is probably one of the hardest to sort of look after. Because of these curls, you don't really want to brush it out, but obviously it gets knotty. So if anyone's got any tips for how to look after this, because like I said, it is synthetic hair, please help, because I'm not entirely sure. Again, it is a lace front. This is actually really soft lace on this one, but it just has so much hair to this, and I just absolutely love it. Like, look how beautiful those curls are, the wave. It is so stunning. Again, quite a lot of hair with this one, but it sort of just looks a bit more natural than the blonde for some reason. But again, it's just very nice and comfy to wear, and I think it is one of my favourites. It's definitely my favourite of the non-wild colours. Also, this one does have like little baby hairs at the front as well. So yeah, I just do really like that one. This next one I think is actually my favourite out of the lot of them. It's just one that goes with so many looks, and that is this little grey bob. It's slightly longer than the other one, but I just absolutely love this colour. For some reason I just think it quite suits me. I actually used this for a pink makeup look and it just looked absolutely incredible. Like grey, like silver grey and pink. Just something about those colours together is just absolutely stunning. Again, this is a lace front. And I have to say, I think it's what looks one of the most natural one on. Even though this colour is not natural whatsoever. It just does, and I just love how it frames your face. These curls at the bottom where it sort of goes like that a little bit. And even though this is synthetic hair, I have actually straightened it because it did have more of a like swoop at the front, which I wasn't keen on. So I did actually straighten out and it was absolutely fine. It didn't melt. I just did it on a low heat. But yeah, like I said, I think this is possibly one of my favourites. Just this colour, the style, I just love it. And now we are on to this beautiful cherry red. It is absolutely stunning. Again, about 24-26 inches. It's quite long, and I use this for Iron Man look. But again, so soft, this hair. Like, even though it's synthetic, it is so soft, and it's still thick but not as thick as the blonde one. Again, lace front there, and I just love this. For some reason, I don't know, I really love it, and I think there's so many looks I could do with this as well. But of course, if you have any suggestions of a look that would go with a particular wig, please leave it in the comments below and let me know. But yes, this red is just like that beautiful cherry red. It's so shiny as well, and I just love it. I don't know why. I would never ever do my own hair this colour, but I do absolutely love it. And I think this one is definitely one I got off Depop. I remember buying it, it was second hand. Never been worn, the lace wasn't even cut, so it's a good place to look if you want something a little bit cheaper, and you can get them brand new on there as well, which is perfect. And now we're on to this little lilac one. Again, it is very, this must be about 28 inch. It is very, very long. Again, it has that bit of a wave to it, this beautiful lilac lavender colour. So this is from Muse Gates, and I did actually work with them, but I'm not actually sure they exist now. But I know you can get this shade of wig pretty much any wig company. It's always on Amazon, so very easy to get. I actually used this for a Pinterest inspired look, and it was just perfect for that. It was the same colour, just absolutely stunning. Again, this is very, very soft hair. It's synthetic. These waves are just absolutely beautiful at the ends. I think it just looks stunning when it's on. As you can see, I like all these multicoloured ones. I think it's just a lot more fun. But yes, I really like this one. I think this was actually one of the first wigs I got that was a lace front. Normally the ones I was getting before, they were a lot cheaper, just like off eBay and things like that, so they didn't have the lace front, and I actually don't have those now. I did get rid of them because these just fit and look so much better like around your face line. Because of the lace, it sort of blends in with your skin a little bit more. And lastly, but in no means least, is this beautiful peachy pink. This is absolutely stunning. Again, I think this is one I got off Depop or maybe even eBay. I can't quite remember. But again, very, very soft. It has a slight wave to the bottom. And it's a little bit more face framing as well. Some of these layers are a lot shorter. Again, this is lace front. And this actually has quite a few different shades of pink, so it adds a bit of dimension to it. But again, very, very soft, and I can't actually remember what look I did use this for. I know I have used it, but I will leave a link to it in the description or something up here, so you can go and see that if you want. It's such a beautiful pink. It's like, it's definitely more peachy. I think because I'm pale, it actually looks okay on me. But yeah, I just really, really like this. That is my entire wig collection. I'm not actually sure how many there was. I didn't count, but I'm sure you will have done. Please let me know which was your favourite. I think for me it's either the short silver bob or maybe either the pink or the lilac longer ones. I just think they actually suit me. I think because I'm paler skin, I think they just look right. But I mean, I could be wrong. You could have a completely different opinion. Please also let me know if there are any looks you think I should do with these, because I'm always open to new ones, and also any other colour you think I should get, because I do have quite a few, but I'm sure there's more. And if some of these wigs maybe look slightly different in the other videos, I normally actually grab the two front pieces, which normally are more around your face, and sort of pin them back at the back so they're a bit more like that. I think that just makes it a little bit more workable when you're doing makeup. You've just pinned it back and it's sort of out of the way, because there is a lot of hair on them. And to brush them out, I also forgot I normally just use a tangle teaser, which I just use for my normal hair anyway, but I have another one for the wigs, and it just works really well because it's just quite gentle as well, even because they are synthetic hairs. You don't want to pull them and then they go all wispy and frizzy and just look horrible, but this really helps. And also a huge thank you to Luisa for sponsoring this video. All these jewellery pieces are just absolutely stunning. Of course, I've been wearing these the entire video and actually forgot I even had them on. And I'm not normally a ring person, but I forgot it's even on my finger. I did just take it off with a few of the wigs because it's just easier with the netting and everything to not wear them. But of course the bracelet's been there, the necklace. I just love these, and they are so affordable, and they just last a lifetime as well, because it is 9 karat gold on top of this sterling silver. So of course the link to these will be in the description right below, and don't forget to use the code Nolan20 to get 20% off your order. If you do use the link below, it will be automatically applied to that. But I have so many pieces from them, and their website is just full of beautiful dainty jewellery. There are also a few more chunky pieces. They're amazing for layering if you wear a few together. There's just so many ways to wear, and you'll be completely spoiled for choice as well. So again, a thank you to Annalise for sponsoring today's video. But I really hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you soon with another.